Now this is our next experiment.
Get the food coloring.
Yeah, we need food coloring for this experiment. We also need a container with some milk in it, and a bowl of dish soap, and some cotton swabs. First, we need to put some food coloring, 1 drop of food coloring, into the milk for each color. Now we need to get the cotton swabs and then dip it into the dish soap, and then we need to touch them to the colors. Look, the colors are expanding.